It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 27th of January. I'm James Spann. The weather nice and calm for a while after that round of storms yesterday. Check out some of the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Here's a look at downtown Fayette, up in northwest Alabama. It's still cloudy, but the rain is gone. There's our downtown Birmingham Skycam. You can see those low clouds hanging over the city, and way down south, Alabama's Gulf Coast. That's coming from Gulf Shores. Well, there's your trough rolling through here. The big storms well to the south and east. In the wake of that, the air is a little cooler this morning. As cool as 39 at Haleyville. Mostly 40s around here. Birmingham sitting at 47. And around the nation, it's not that cold. In fact, temperatures, I would say, are above average, generally speaking. But at least instead of that warm weather, we'll see somewhat cooler air blowing in here for the weekend. Pretty quiet around the nation. That's the watch warning map. Those counties in green, by the way, are flood warnings for the Black Warrior with all the rain we had yesterday. Up north, few winter weather issues. High wind watch for Montana, parts of Montana. And rain for the next 5 days. And this started last night at 6 o'clock, and that counts that little last batch of showers. And this is valid through Tuesday evening and next week. And we'll be dry, I think, through Tuesday with no rain at all here. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the 06Z run at noon today. Trough well to the east, and the sky becoming mostly sunny today. Both the GFS and the NAM are showing 57. Tomorrow, a little chunk of energy passes north of here with snow flurries possible up north, but around here we think the day will be partly sunny, I'd say. Might see a few cloudy periods, but partially sunny with a high in the upper 50s. And then Sunday, in the wake of that little wave, it's a bit cooler with mid-50s likely, and we should start the day Sunday morning below freezing for the first time since January 19th. Got a Monday of next week, pretty much the same deal. We'll start the day below freezing. Nice warm-up. The high should be close to 60. There's Tuesday. We're still dry with low to mid-60s. And Wednesday, thickness values are coming up with mid-60s. Rain breaks out to the west. And Thursday, pretty decent little trough approaching from the west, and that will bring our next chance of rain and storms, a 1,012 millibar low near Memphis, and we'll kind of keep an eye on things to see how it goes with convective potential, but there certainly could be some thunder with that, with the upper support. And then a week from today, that thing wraps up and winds up and moves out, and we turn colder. This is Friday, the 3rd of February. Surface low is near Erie, Pennsylvania, with colder air blowing in behind that, but not too cold. And we'll check the end of the forecast on the 11th of February. And kind of broad troughing over the east, but there's no real Arctic connection. No cold air there. And again, we'll check the North Atlantic Oscillation, the ensembles, and most of the ensembles keep it positive now. You know, for a while we had that flash where it might go negative for the new month, but nah. So as long as that thing stays above that neutral line, odds of getting any long-lasting cold weather down here are pretty slim. But there's still time for a pattern change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.